density based traffic control system with ambulance detection. This project basically designed to automate the traffic signals. For example, nowadays the traffic signals are operated by either time based or human operated traffic signals. Here in this project we proposed a concept like automation of those traffic signals based on traffic density, and also will detect the ambulance and will change the signal using the ambulance radio frequencies. So here you can see the components like traffic signal model, IR sensors, a gas sensor, PIC microcontroller, and a RF transmitter and RF receiver. All components are interconnected with some power supply boards. So this is the entire circuit of this project. Coming to the operation, this project will detect the density of traffic using the IR sensors. Here you can see that the traffic signals are changing automatically based on the traffic density. Here this one is the RF transmitter. This circuit board will fixed in the ambulance. Whenever the ambulance is coming near to the signal automatically changed into green. When the particular distance the ambulance reaches to the that particular signal. Okay, for example, now the ambulance is reached near the signal, so it detects and it holds the entire signal for particular duration, so that if ambulance is reaching near a signal, it will make a proper way to reach the hospitals. Okay, here you can see the IR sensors. IR sensors will detect the traffics, how much of traffics are there in the particular road. For example, in that road, in that circuit board, we designed like 4 roads: road 1, road 2, road 3, road 4. Okay, like that for 4 roads we placed 4 different IR sensors. 4 different IR sensors will detect how much of traffics are there in that particular road. Based upon the traffic, the signaling time will be adjusted. For example, if road 1 has large number of traffic, so road number 1 have green signal for large time compared to other roads. So like that, based upon the density of the traffic signal will adjust the time automatically.